Okay, I'm doing a quick tutorial on one of these EasyFit isolation valves. I did one yesterday, first one I ever done, and I'm so impressed with it. I thought I'd do a quick tutorial because my video was a little bit blurry because the camera is rubbish. I just want to say that. Right, so what you're looking for, you buy one of these kits, they're about £60. I'm going to say that, they vary everywhere. What comes in the packet is you need to make sure you order the one. If you've never done one before, you need to order one with the fitting kit. This is the fitting kit. You need this. This is for a 15mm pipe, not a 22. So you have to get whatever you want. You have to do. It will do plastic as well. Very quickly, how it starts off. I hope I'm all right here. Is this big valve. What you need to do with this, okay? You undo these 4 screws and take them off. They're Allen keys. Find an appropriate one, or you can use the tool that comes with it. With this, these come off. What you do then is you mount this onto the 15mm copper pipe, and you need to mount it in a position where you know it's not, when you put the handle on, it's not going to hit anything, i.e. a piece of wood or what's in the way. I mean, if you did it like that and you put the handle on, anyway, you'll get the picture. Okay, so once you've done that, undo these, fit this to the, make sure the pipe is clean. Sorry, make sure the pipe is clean. Push this at the back of the pipe. Put your main body, okay, over the top, and then back onto here, and then you've got to do is screw these down, and you want to do them in like a diagonal position, so each one, so don't push one down and clamp the body straight to it. You need to do them individually so the body comes down equally together, and these should have no gaps in them. Okay, and that's what you need to do first. Once you've done that, then you need to get your tool out when you're stopped shaking. It is nerve-wracking, but it's quite a robust bit of kit, to be honest with you. Then you break open your tool if you haven't got it out already. Like I said, this is the one you can use for that. So each one individually, you can use it on a power driver, put it on a very low torque setting, and you should be fine. I did it by hand. That was it. Okay. The next thing to do is then, once you're confident and you're all lined up and ready to go, what you need to do then is place this over the top onto that there, and this is now on a normal drill, not an impact drill, just a normal drill if you can. Set the drill to low speed, and also set it to drill, so you don't want it to sort of like stop halfway down or whatever. So once you've done that and you're confident and it's all lined up ready to go, then power this baby home until this red line, okay, is in line, not with that dot there, but is in line with this silver, the base of this silver. So this will drive all the way down until this sort of comes up and lines up with the base of this connection here. Okay, so once you've done that, then remove your tool. It takes a bit of doing, and then it'll get a bit stiffer about sort of like 3/4 of the way down. Then it'll go easy, so don't worry about that. Once you've done that, then you'll unscrew this main body. I'm not going to do it now because of that. Once you've unscrewed this main body here, what you'll see, that there's a little, where has he gone? There's a little dot there, and you want that little red dot to line up with another dot which is on this casing behind. Okay, once you've took this off, okay, this will be driven home, this will be all the way inside, well, most of the way down here. Undo this, this dot should line up with another red dot just inside. If that's the case, you can get a spanner and go either way with it till it's lined up. It'll stop. This will stop when it gets down where it needs to go. Okay. Once you've done that, you undo this from the main body. This is then taken away and discarded. Okay. Then what you do, you take off this rubber shield here. Now on here is a circlip. I will confess, it isn't here, and I've looked everywhere for it. So whether it was mistaken or not put on, I have a spare circlip. It is fine, I will fit it on. Anyway, so once you've done that, you take this off. Undo this nut, okay? Leave the circlip in place. It's got to stay on there, okay? Take this off, leave the circlip on, and then what you do then, you've got this body here with the 4 screws, and it's got little notches at the bottom. You place that over there. Remember, this is gone, this is all the way down in the body and everything. You then place this over the top of that and over the top of the circlip, and then you push this whole body down. This is like now a piston tap, and this will push inside this brass fitting. This will push down, okay? you'll see it move slightly. See that? Okay. So what you do then, push this onto there, all the way down into the body, and then screw these down again equally into your main body here. These 4 screw holes there. Once you've done that, you're virtually there. Okay, you put it all in. This is nice and tight. Everything's nice and tight. You put your handle on, whichever one you want, red or blue, hot or cold, it doesn't really matter. And then once you've fitted them, this now is active and it is live. You can do it on a live pipe. Believe it or not, honestly, my water I couldn't turn off. I had to turn off the main toilet because we got a switch, but it was an isolation valve and I needed to isolate the water. So once you've done that, fit your handle, turn it, bingo. Absolutely brilliant bit of kit for live, for doing a pipe live and turning your water off. 22mm and 15mm and plastic. You don't think you'd use that for plastic. I think you use a spanner for plastic and just do it. I've never done one, so I'm not going to advise on that. All right. But I'd just like to say these are absolutely amazing. It saves me a lot of work and no mess, no water, no leaks, no nothing. It just works. It does exactly what it says on the packet, which is absolutely amazing bit of kit. Make sure you get it with the kit. You've got to get it the first one with your tool. Otherwise, you're scuppered. You've got to get this, okay? You can't do it without that, really. That's what I'm saying anyway, so there we go. If you enjoyed this video and a bit quick tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be fantastic. You can get these from most places. I don't know where you are in America, but for us, we get them from like Screwfix, what's the other one, Tool Station, stuff like that, even Amazon. All right, the price will vary. This cost me $59.98 or something. We did get discount because we have an account with them, but that's our bonus anyway. All right, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be fantastic, and we will definitely catch you in the next one. All the best. Take care.